Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I see I've got a few new subscribers, so thanks for subbing. I know I haven't really been posting as often as I should, but hopefully that'll change here soon. So I'm starting to do a new series of videos where I take you guys through the whole process of flipping a car, buying it, diagnosing it, doing whatever needs to be done, changing the motor, fixing this, fixing that, paint, body, sell. Kind of take you through all the steps of that, or just whatever, I don't know, maybe. So first on the block is a 2020 Ford Fusion that has driver's side damage. The fender is completely gone, the door is mangled, the bumper might be able to be fixed, I don't know, I have to actually see it. I think that can be repaired as long as the fender mount isn't damaged, but we'll see when it gets here. My buddy is going to hook me up with the driver door, the rear door, the side skirt, and I think that's it. Yeah. So we won't have to worry about paying for those. So all we're really looking for is lower control arm and the fender, which isn't, that cuts our cost down a lot, which if you're doing this kind of work, this kind of stuff, it's nice to have friends that have the hookups, but obviously it's a two-way street, so you might, have to do something for them. So this car is currently out of state. I have transport picking it up for me since my truck isn't ready and won't be ready maybe for a few months. So it'll be here in a week, but this is a YouTube video, so it's actually here right now. So I just got the car in. I went ahead and did a little bit of work already. It was pretty easy. I already put the doors on. The doors obviously have some damage. You got them for free, so no big deal. All I had to do, I just put the new hinges on, bent it a little bit, made it work. Now it's pretty good. Lines up really well. So the doors actually were kind of perfect. Had to beat up the little thing right there a little bit, but no big deal. Closes real nice. So now I just have to go get a fender, fix that, and work on this. I don't know if I want to fix this, honestly. It seems kind of like a lost cause. I think it'd be a lot better if I just went and got a new one, because I could fix this because I have the original piece. I could plastic weld this, but I don't know. I got to see how much they are. I don't think it's worth the time to fix this one, but we'll see. All right, so I'm gonna try out this little plastic welder just for the hell of it, and if it works out pretty well, I might do it. But we'll see. I just have to line it up real nice. See how it's gonna hold. Not terrible. this like this. Oh, it's gotta go like this. I just bet it. I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh my god. How am I so fucking smart on a lot of things and I'm a fucking idiot at the same time? Blows my mind. Yeah, so it definitely needs to be aligned. That part needs to be fixed. So, okay, well, we have everything kind of lined up. This bracket here is bent. I'll show you guys in a sec, but once I fix that, it'll go in good. But overall, everything's lining up really well. Bumper, I'm still not sure about. Let me show you the bracket there. This little bracket needs to be fixed so it can line up properly. Other than that, everything's looking really good. I'm happy with it. Just need to fix that, line this up, and then so I could be able to do this. I also have to bend this piece back a little bit so this will sit properly, and then we can adjust the door or the fender, whatever needs to be adjusted. Have one final little look over and start sanding this thing, getting this thing ready for paint. So I think I'm gonna cut the video here. Still not sure what I'm gonna do about this. I think it'll do, but I don't like doing stuff like this. So we'll see. We'll see in the next video what I decide to do. So thanks for sticking around, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll see you in the next one.